2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack 392. Really beautiful green olive color. I like that. It's different. Anyways, it's got factory converters there and there. He came from the channel also. We appreciate that very much. And so hit that like and subscribe button for him as appreciation for him bringing his car into us so we can show off what we can do and make it sound good. Anyways, it's got an X pipe on it. I'm sorry guys, it's still early. And we put DYNOMAX race bullets, one here, then 3-inch pipe to complete it. Still got the exhaust cutouts. I'm sorry guys, today is not my day. It's still got the exhaust valves there and there. So when you put it in sport mode or track mode, they open up, it gets a lot louder. Still got the factory resonators in the back, there and there, or or rear mufflers, whatever you want to call them. And factory tips, there and there. Today's not my day, but we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. DYNOMAX race bullets. Came out really beautiful. Hopefully it'll sound really good too. They usually do. They usually impress. That's much better. There we go. Much better. Sound decibels. Again. It peaked at 116 earlier. This is what we cut off of it. That's the mid resonators or mid mufflers, whatever you want to call them. There it is. Another beautiful Scat Pack. See? You need to take the back ones off. We gotta make it louder. They really scream when you take the back ones off. What we can do is get 2 more DYNOMAX and put them in the back. It'll be a double. It'll sound really good. I don't think he has it in sport mode. Sounds really good. Hope you guys like it. He's gonna put it in sport mode for us. So that was in regular mode, eco mode, or he's gonna be in sport mode next. Change it a little bit. Get on it, man. Enjoy it, bro. Thank you. Appreciate you. Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. He's gonna be back, and we're gonna put 2 DYNOMAX in the back too. Eliminate those rear resonators or mufflers. Hopefully it'll go beast mode.